They could describe everything the continue count like bubble tea, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, fried chicken, partying in the Hollywood Hills. This song, oh my god, the new beat. Is this real? Oh, and the sadness tonight, can't go out tonight. Oh my gosh, this song's so lit. Congratulations. Now you be like, gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gnarly. Gnarly. You know? Gnarly. You know? Like boba tea. Gnarly. Tesla. Gnarly. Fried chicken. You know? Like boba tea. Gnarly. Tesla. Gnarly. Fried chicken. You know? Partying in the Hollywood Hills. Partying in the Hollywood Hills. I mute myself. I'm in the water hole. I'm in the water hole. I'm in the water hole. Let's go to my room, bitch. Chum. Uzile. Uzile. La Peglet TV. La Peglet TV. Tesla, nah, you underwater. Tesla, nah, you underwater. Tesla, nah.
Napilo, no.
Buthani imali uyifake la. Buthani imali uyifake la. Naked describe everything about our you know, like no, naked describe everything about our you know, naked describe everything
Mira puta le mano.
I'm tired, guys. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired, guys. I reach the fire gets closer, so no blood, so the fire gets closer, so no blood, Sala, seeing a camera, double from the TV up. Some people don't. Anyways, guys, get ready with me to learn math. You see? So, what we're gonna do is learn exponents, okay? Now, when they say, no, not exponents, HCF, what they mean by this, okay, is you are gonna have, let's say the teacher writes 300, gonna have to do the ladder method because it's the easiest way. So, gonna write, wait, I think my dad's coming, I hear the call. Anyways, gonna write 2 here, and then you're gonna have to take your calculator. It's me. You're gonna have to take your calculator. Just give me a second. I'm back. Okay. Got my calculator. So you're gonna have to say, I don't know if you guys can see, but you're gonna have to say 300 divided by 2. Okay, that gives me 150. So you write 150 here, right? And then you put the 2, and then you start again. You say 150 divided by 2 gives you 75. Then you write the 2 here. Did something wrong. Then you say 75 divided by 2 again. It mustn't be a fraction or a decimal. So you move on to the next number. 75 divided by 3 gives me 25. See? Just fix the number here. Okay, now I say 25 divided by 3 gives me a decimal number again. So I have to say 25 divided by 4. Again, decimal. 25 divided by 5. 5. And then I have to write 5. And then how many times does 5 go into 5? Pause. I don't know if you can pause, but you can do it on a paper. I got 1, so I'm gonna write 1 here, throw a line. And then after, you're gonna take these numbers here, okay? These numbers here. And you're gonna write them here. You're gonna say 2 times 2 times 2, because there are 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? And then you put 3 here, because here's a 3. And then you put 5. And then you have to calculate. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 gives me 120. In the HCF, some of the numbers are going to give you this exact number, which is okay. It's fine. There's no problem. So you don't have to panic. And then this is example number 1. Now going to do number 2. Number 2 is, let's say the teacher gives you, can I use 500? Again, I'm going to start with 2, because you don't always have to start with 2. But I'm just starting with 2 because it makes it easier for me. So and then 250, right? And then I put 2 here. Then I have to say 250 divided by 2 gives me 125. Huh? Yeah. Then 2. And then I say 125 divided by 2 gives me 76, right? Which is 2. And then 76 divided by 2, 38. Oh, looks like you're going with 8 and 2s now. Okay, 82 divided by 39 divided by 2 equals to 19. Yeah, I write the 19 here. 2. This looks like a 0. Then I say 19 divided by 2. Wait, I typed wrong. 19 divided by 2. No, 19 divided by 2. Oh, gives me a decimal number, you see, guys. So I move on to the next one. 19 divided by 3, decimal number again. 19 divided by 4 gives me another decimal. 19 divided by 5 gives me a decimal. 19 divided by 6 gives me a decimal. 19 divided by 7. Decimal again. 19 divided by 8. A decimal again. 19 divided by 9. Decimal again. I think we end here. Yeah. So when you get that, you end here, and then you're gonna have to say, wait. Yeah, it's right. Anyways, you're gonna have to write these numbers again, like we did here. So we're gonna write these numbers again. Gonna say 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 2. I'm gonna say 2 to the power of 6 because it's much easier for me. Guys, I forgot where to click. Oh. Yep. It's 8. Wait, just to double check. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. Oh, it gives me 64. So it's 64. Now this is how you solve HCF, highest common fraction. Okay. Now when they simplify, I'm gonna show you later. Now we move on to the next step. Now this is grade 8 math, guys. I'm in grade 8, so don't judge. This is not my handwriting. Okay. BODMAS. I don't know if you guys know BODMAS, but I'm gonna show you. Okay. BODMAS, right? That's our heading. Oh. Number. Okay, this is BODMAS, right? Ugh, the camera gone. Okay. So we have E equals for brackets. And then O is for you take off the brackets. The D is for divide, right? And the M is for multiplication. I think this is how you spell multiplication. A is for adding, right? And then the S is for subtraction. This is what all the symbols of BODMAS mean. So here it is. So number 1, if they say I don't have examples. Even I myself don't understand. I do understand. Can I quickly check my ratio one first before I show you guys? BODMAS is not the following one. Ratio is the one, guys. Sorry. Has to be somewhere here at the back. You see, here's the HCF I was talking about. It's this one. Where the teacher gives you 300 or what, and then you have to solve it. Here's the examples here. You see, we do it like this. Ratio. Okay, let's start with the percentage increase because it might be the easy one. Gonna get back to the BODMAS, but now we're doing the percentage increase. percentage increase, right? Guys, I need to be on the table. Can't do it here. Okay. Now this is good. Now, when they say percentage increase, right? They say, I'm not gonna use this example where they say joy. I'm gonna say, let's just use, wait, just use Jack. Jack is a businessman. He has his own business, right? His business got bankrupt, right? Got bankrupt. So he had to make a new shop. He has to hire. He has to hire new employees, right? He has to hire new employees. They get paid. Comments. Write down in the comments which should we use. I'm going with 57,000. They get paid 57,599 grand, right? He decides to increase his employees' salary by, let's use 27%. Calculate the amount they now get paid. Okay. Now, what we're gonna have to do is we are gonna take that 27%, 27 here. Then you're gonna have to say, oh, guys. Oh yeah, that 27%. And then I'm not copying, it's not the same one. This one's the joy one, right? I'm making my own. So 27 over 100 times the amount they get paid, 57,599, right? Now, what we're gonna have to do is take our calculator. All this work that I'm showing you, it's easy with a calculator. So if you're not in high school or in grade 8 or something like that, it's gonna be hard for you. But I'm gonna try and show you an easier way. So, I have my calculator. So we're gonna have to press this key right over here. This one, you see it? Now wait, click it. And then we're gonna have to say 20, no wait. 27,000, click this key, over 100. No, wait, something's wrong. 27,000 over 100, right? Times the amounts they get paid, 57,599 rand. Click. Here's the answer we have. So we are gonna have to write down the answer like this. No, wait. Guys, wait, I think I made a mistake. 27,100. No, wait, guys, there's something wrong here. Is this the right key that I'm using? Guys, I don't know what's going on. Guys, I don't know what's going on. Okay, there. Gonna have to use the flash. The thing. Does none of this actually work? Is it flashing? Nope. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. So why can I just read here? I'm not doing anything wrong. It gives me this number. Yeah. I punched this in a calculator, right? Not this, but the numbers that I have. You see, here are the numbers. The 27 should be over 100. The 15th over 100 times the money they get paid gives me this. Now look what I do. So I say 27,000 over 100, right? Times 57,919. No, 599. It gives me this. What is this? Is something. Someone messed with my calculator. Wait. Number 8. 2. Okay, 27,000 over 100 times 57. Huh? Okay, I think this is the price here. Okay, so they get paid 15,000. They get paid 15,551 rand, right? So now what you're gonna do is say, what you're gonna do is say 57,599 plus 15,551. That is what you're gonna do. Underline. Now you're gonna say, what's 9 plus 1? Put a 0 here, 1 here, equals to 10. 10. Wait, 10, right? 15. So I put a 5 plus 1, 6, 11. And then 8, 13, 6, 7. And here's your answer. This is your answer. 73,150. This is your answer. This is how you do increase, percentage increase. Okay. Now, what comes next? Let's check the demarcation because I have to study ratio. This is the one I'm looking for. Ratio. I can't find it. I think it's in a piece of paper. But okay, guys, let's do what do they call this? Exponents. This is how you do exponents. So, an example, if the teacher gives you 10 to the power of 3, you're gonna have to say 10 times 10 times 10. You don't say 10, 20, 30. No. This 3 up here, it tells you that you times this number the amount that there's a number here. So let's say you have a 5 here. You can have to times this 10 5 times. Say 5 10, no, not say 10 20 30. You don't do that. You have to times this number according to the number that's here. So we're gonna punch in the 10 times 10 times 10 equals to 1,000. This is your answer. You can get 2 marks for this, just for the answer and for doing this, which you're gonna have 4 marks in total. This is the marks that you're gonna have. So grade 8, I am praying that you understand. I am praying that you understand. Can need to use a red pen because it's much better for me. Okay, so we're still busy with the same topic. Number 2, if the teacher gives you, write down in the comments what number should I pick. I'm ask my brother. Gives you, write down in the comments what number should I pick. I'm ask my brother. Hey, pick a number between 1 to 50. Pick a number between 1 to 50. Pick a number 1 to 50 because I'm going to choose a number between 1 and 50. 50, okay. Guys, he used 50. This is going to be difficult. Okay. Guys, he used 50. This is going to be difficult. Guys, he used 50. Okay, guys. My brother picked 50. We're just going to use 50. So 50. Ozil. Pick a number again between 1 to 50.
1.
No, pick another one. 1 is too
50
easy.
then.
No, you can't use 50. You already used it.
30.
30, okay. Guys, when he says 50 to the power of 30, you're going to have to say 50 times 50 times 50 times 50. I'm not going to write everything, and so on, right? So you're going to have to take your calculator and say 50 to the power of, you press this button here, right? To the power of 30. Oh, now I don't understand this. Guys, this is confusing. Hey Google. Guys, I'm just gonna have to use 3. 1, 2, 3. 50 to the power of 3. Now you punch your calculator 50 times 50 times 50. Now this gives you 12,005,000. No, 100,000 and 100,000. Guys, why is it so hard for me to read 100,000s? 100,000 to no 125,000. Yes. So your answer is 125,000. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Listen. Guys, I need to use the bathroom really quick. I'll be. Guys, thank you for watching this live. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you for all the subscribers. I promise you, I will pay you. I don't know when, but thank you. Stay tuned for more math tricks. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Stay tuned for more math tricks. Say bye.